So, students, a few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. Arrived means reach, पहुंचना. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. So, a few days later, the country mouse reached to the town and he was surprised. Surprised means हैरान होना. Noise और light से हैरान हो गए. कौन? Village mouse. Why are there lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. Why there is the lights in the middle of the night? So this is the town. His cousin replied. What his cousin replied? This is a town. ये शहर है, यहाँ पे ऐसा ही होता. रात के वक्त भी lights on रहते बोल के बोले. Here there are lights even in the middle of the day. And what is this dreadful noise that never stops? Asks a country mouse. So what the country mouse was asking? This is very dreadful noise. Dreadful means bad noise, which never stops. So that is the traffic. The town mouse replied, this is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars and aeroplanes. So the town mouse saying this is a traffic and this noise made by buses, lorries, cars and aeroplanes. But the country mouse did not like it all. All this noise has made my headache. He said, could I have some water to drink? Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold, lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? So the country mouse said, I don't like this all much noise, this traffic, all this. I am getting headache. Sir mein darad ho raha bolena. Headache means sir darad hona. So he said, I want to drink some water. Please give me. So the town mouse asking, why only water? Look at this here, ice cold. Ice cold means बर्फ है, आइसक्रीम्स है, लेमनेड, ड्रिंक ऑफ लेमन, नींबू पानी, ऑरेंज जूस. क्या चाहिए बोलो? विच वन डू यू वांट? Just some water, answered the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. So the country mouse said this, only some water I want और little bit of food. थोड़ा खाना और थोड़ा पानी चाहिए. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the town mouse proudly. You can eat as much as you like. So what the town mouse said, I have plenty of food. Plenty means much food. There is much food and you can eat as much you like. How much you want you can eat. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of a kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. So what the country mouse said? Okay. So the house of the town mouse at the back of a kitchen cupboard was full of delicious food. Delicious food means मज़ेदार खाना, लजीज. So kitchen cupboard में रहते थे town mouse. So he has very delicious food. There was a bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolates and a huge piece of lovely cheese. So what are there in the fridge at the corner backside of the kitchen? So jam is there. Okay. So different kinds of fruits. Slabs. Slabs means like Cadbury's you have seen, no? Chocolates, that only. Slabs. Rectangular shape sticks of chocolates. And a lovely cheese. Lovely cheese. Cheese you know all? Okay. Muska. Eat, cousin, eat, said the town mouse. But just then there was a sound like thunder and the town mouse shouted, run, cousin, run, run. So what he said? दोनों बोले खाओ. Sudden he listened a sound of thunder. Thunder means बादल का गरजना. बादल जो गरजते ना, crashing noise of clouds. So run, run, he said, town mouse. The town mouse pushed the country mouse or through a hole in the back of the cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. But what is it? He asked. So the town mouse pushed the country mouse. Push means धकेल दी. कहाँ पर? In the hole of that back side of the cupboard. So the country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. So he's shocked and he has just can't see anything. He has feared about that noise. But what is it? Is he asked. What it is? He asked. Shh, whispered the town mouse. Wait. So the town mouse saying in a soft voice, shh, wait. What? When everything was silent again, the town mouse crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again. So when everything is stopped, the town mouse crept out of the hole. Crept means moved slowly from that hole, and he was again finding the happy. Cheerful means push, noticeably happy. So he is feeling happy now. Come out now, cousin, he said. That was only somebody opening the cupboard door. We are safe now. So what he said? Come out, cousin. there was somebody opening the cupboard. Now we are safe now. So, but they were not safe for very long. Twice more they had to run for safety. Why? Because they were not safe for very long. If somebody opened the door again, they have to run twice. 2 times they have to run for safety if somebody opened the door. So the country mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. I want to go back to the country, he said. We may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. So the country mouse saying that he don't like the town. He is very quite tired of running or hiding. Means भागते भागते और छुपते छुपते बहुत थक गए थे हम. So the country mouse said that he want to go back to the village. He said that we don't get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. हमें वहाँ ज़्यादा खाना तो नहीं मिलता, लेकिन हम वहाँ सुकून से खा सकते. So next day, the country mouse went back to his house in the country, and the town mouse stayed on his cupboard in the town, and as far as I know, they did not visit each other again. So the next day what happened? The country mouse went back to his house to the village, and the town mouse stayed in the town. And as for this, they did not visit each other again. Means the town mouse don't want to travel to the village, and the country mouse don't want to travel to the town. They stayed in their homes happily. Thank you.